We're doing homemade mayo and ham salad all in one video. We're first gonna put our 1 egg into our mason jar. I like using a wide mouth mason jar because I can fit my immersion blender in and out of it. I'll take your immersion blender and then we are gonna blend up that egg for a couple seconds. We're gonna put in about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Add in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna start mixing this up. Now get you a measuring cup that has like a little spout. It makes it a lot easier to pour. And then you're gonna want to get a neutral flavored olive oil or avocado oil, grapeseed oil. Nothing like crazy strong. This one's light tasting. And then we're gonna need a cup of oil. While you're pouring your oil, just go really slow and then start blending. Pour a little at a time. It's gonna seem like it's never thickening up, and then it's gonna like really get thick and it's gonna like start spinning the glass. It's getting thick now. Now you can just pour in the rest of your oil. And now get that all incorporated. Now look at that. It is super, super thick. Take your mustard spoon and then you're just gonna get all the mayonnaise off of the immersion blender. We're done with this now, so you can stick it in the sink. Now we're gonna add in a dash of lemon juice, like a teaspoon or so, and we're gonna get that mixed in. Now we can move on to our ham salad. Mayonnaise is done. So I bought 4 eggs. I am just gonna cut them in half, and then I'm gonna go in and like do like thin slices. So it's like big chunky pieces of egg throughout the ham salad. But what I'm gonna do is just take this big old bundle. I don't know if I'm gonna use I might use a little more ham than this, but I'm just gonna take it and I am just gonna cut little pieces. I'm gonna go in and cut the strips that I'm cutting. I'll just go in and cut them like into little pieces like that. I feel like it's quite a bit now that it's kind of like all in pieces. I'm flinging ham. So I'm gonna use the last bit of mayo I have left. See, like barely nothing in there. Now I'm gonna use the mayo we just made. I'm gonna do quite a big dollop. I'm gonna do 2 dollops and then I'm gonna add everything else and then see where we're at. We're gonna do a spoonful of dill and a spoonful of sweet. I like to mix it. I think it tastes so good when you mix both. We're gonna add in a good little squirt of mustard. I'm gonna season it with some onion powder, not too much, just a little shake. I'm gonna throw in a little garlic powder, sprinkle of salt. Always, always, always go in with some type of Cajun seasoning. Usually Tony's is my go-to. So we're going to go in with a good little sprinkle of Tony's. Tony's has salt though, so I don't do a lot of salt since Tony's has salt. Mix this together. See if I need to add more mayo. See if I need to add any like seasoning. Give this a taste test. That is good. So now we'll eat this on bread or crackers, and that's it. Now we have some quick lunch in the icebox.